Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Here is the finished look of the cardigan. Ta-da! La 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 la. Okay, I'm gonna go one step down. I used total of 6 of the Fisherman Lion brand yarn to knit this up. The sleeves are long, so you can use it as like a fingerless glove. It is long. And I am a 2X to 3 extra large. It's a wrap cardigan. You can wear it like this if you want. You can pin it. But I prefer the collar like this. Just love it how it turned out. I do have a playlist. I will pin this under this video for you guys to see. Just turned out fantastic. I work with measurements and I played around with it with doing the stitches, and I do explain that on my tutorials. So I hope you like the showcase. It's a little bit tough to tape it, yeah, to capture the, but I just love the ARAN cable knit wrap cardigan. Yeah. It's done in pieces. Front, 2 fronts, 2 sleeves, and the back. And I did some new techniques, and I shared it with you how to knit it. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified. You guys take care. Bye-bye.